Kapha is heavy, slow, oily, stable, dense, cool and sweet. So Kapha people, heavy body frame. The body will be automatically big bones, big muscles, and they are slightly chubby people. Always more than the normal weight. And whenever they put weight on the legs, thighs, lower part of the body. Upper part will be more balanced and the bones will be more heavy. For due to heavy quality, these people have always to take light diet. And then sometime they can do fasting, and usually milk products not so good for them. They can use the oils like a vata person, but always very little quantity. And nuts and seeds they have also not to take a lot. More they can take fresh fruits, vegetables and beans, and they cut from their diet too much carbohydrate and fats. Sometimes they can do fasting also. The next quality is slow quality. These people are always slow. They walk slow, they talk slow, they work slow. So they have to adopt active lifestyle. They need everyday physical activity, walking, swimming, yoga, running. So day-to-day life they need to be physical, and whenever they are choosing a profession, they have not to choose a profession where they are sitting long time. So they have to choose a profession where they are physically active. They have not to sleep a lot. So they can go to bed early and they can get up early, and not to sleep more than 8 hours. Avoid day nap. So the next quality, oily quality. These people have also lots of oil in the body, but this oil, if they take more oil fat, they will put on weight instead of getting skin problems. Usually Kapha skin is very good, Kapha scalp is very good, neither dry not oily. So extra oils, fats they have not to take because they will put weight more faster than usual. In non-veg usually meat and chicken not at all good for them. The next quality, stable quality. They are physically very stable and mentally very relaxed. So they need to work on the physical body also, and mentally they are loving, forgiving and compassionate people. Usually they don't go in the conflicts. They are very calm people, but if you put them in conflict, they try to calm down everybody. So they are compassionate, they forgive very easily the people. This is the positive quality of the Kapha person. Next quality is taste, sweet taste. Sweet is the taste of Kapha. So anything which is sweet, natural or processed, it will aggravate Kapha. So these people, sweet, sour, salt taste not so good. They have to take more astringent taste, pungent and bitter. So when they are taking the fruits, it should be slightly unripe, slightly green, not overripe. And when they are taking the vegetable, green vegetables, salads, smoothies, these are very good for them. And then for them the bitter taste also good, but they have to take less sweet, sour and salt, because sweet aggravates Kapha, sour and salt retains in the body. So if they minimize the sweet and salt in the diet, Kapha will balance a lot. Usually the Kapha imbalance will cause more related immune system related problems or respiratory problems. Somebody gets a hay fever in the spring season frequently, somebody gets more nasal congestion, blocked sinuses or frequent tonsillitis or respiratory problems like asthma, allergies, or you can say pneumonia, bronchitis or immune system related problem, or obesity or diabetes. These kind of problems are Kapha problems. When you have a Kapha disturbance, first of all you have not to eat at a time a lot, big quantity. Instead of 3 big meals, 4, 5, 6 small meals good for a Kapha person. So they can take some fruits, some vegetables and some kind of legumes, and they can eat fish, they can eat seafood, they can eat egg white part of egg, and sometimes they can skip the meals also. And the foods, they can add some spices in it like a ginger, or you can say garlic, onion, because to stimulate the metabolism. Their metabolism is also slow. Or you can add little lemon or dipped ginger dipped in lemon before starting the food. So it will help to digest the food more properly. Morning time they can take water with lemon juice and 1 spoon honey. So it will help you to reduce weight, and always small and frequent meals. More, we can say, fruits, vegetables and beans. As much as the carbohydrate will be less, the kapha will balance. So rice, wheat, potato, sweet potato, if you cut from your diet, you will balance a lot kapha.